We have got amazing news about gig buddies in North Wales.
Wow, what is the news?
We have got funding from the National Lottery.
Amazing.
Yes, it means we have all the funding we need to continue Gig Buddies in North Wales for the next 3 years.
It's awesome! Best news ever!
I'm so happy.
Fantastic news.
This is great news.
How much is the funding?
We have £400,000.
Wow!
Amazing!
The funding means we can match more people with a learning disability and/or autism in North Wales with a Gig Buddy.
We can start recruiting another project coordinator in North Wales.
And a project support coordinator.
We are now able to pay for an ambassador with a learning disability to join the Gig Buddy family.
And we'll be announcing details of the new jobs in the next few days. Woo!
To find out more about what the funding from the National Lottery Community Fund means for our work in North Wales, please visit the Learning Disability Wales website.
Newyddion gwych bod Gig Buddies wedi cael lottery funding yn Gogledd Cymru.
Thank you, National Lottery.
Well done, Gig Buddies.
Diolch yn fawr, National Lottery.
Thank you, Gig Buddies.
Thank you, Gig Buddies.
Woohoo! Dwi'n hapus.